Ever told you how beautiful you are?
Quelle surprise la seconde boulangerie du jour réserve-t-elle à notre jury?
Why are you such a bitch?
Cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out.
Oh!
I know what you're thinking. Wrong. Okay, there is a cat in the hat.
My fellow Americans, there is Ebola in America, which means we are screwed.
Wait!
But first, let me take a selfie.
Bro, I don't like the way you looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Oh shit!
In nomine Patris et Filii.
200 damn voicemails and you still ain't call me back? That's okay, cause I followed you home! Nigga, I see!
You have very big freaking legs, man. Oh, I didn't mean to.
What the hell are you looking at? Jesus!
Oh!
Where's the catnip?
Pikachu?
Good job. High five. Okay. Y'all thought y'all's cat was rude. Hold up, meet Nicki Minaj. Nicki. Oh, shit. Damn.